Hello, my name is Jose Zuniga and I'm representing expertvillage.com. Before we plant the Mexican heathers, we have to prepare the area where the planting is going to happen. What do? Well, for starters, look at this. We don't need any weeds. We got to weed it out completely. That's the worst enemy for any plant. As you can see as well, look at all those rocks. I don't need those rocks. They all need to be removed. I need to rearrange some of these bigger rocks that are there for decoration. We need this land to be virgin, completely clean, and that's what we're gonna do. Now, let's tackle it, and I'll show you step by step. Now, when it comes to the rocks, just get them there on the side. Just pick them, there we go. We'll worry about that later. Just get all the rocks out. We've gotta clear it completely. Now, this rock is more decorative. We don't need that. Get it out. You gotta rearrange everything. Just pull it out completely. Same thing. You see why this come in so handy? They're great. Look, you can see some palm trees right here. We don't want that as well. You gotta clean it up completely. Get all the weeds out. There we go. Let's start with the weeds first. What you need to do is get the root system. We gotta pull them out because remember, the root system is horrible for any plant. It's not gonna let it grow, so just pull it out completely. There we go. Just tackle it down and just, there we go. It's a good exercise. That's what we did. Look at all these rocks here. Just remove everything. Good. We're gonna check every single area here that we've got everything, all the rocks, all the weeds. We've got to clear it completely. It's got to be clean. It's got to be ready to be worked on. Because remember, we still have other steps, so just be sure that everything is clear. And this is how we prepare the area for planting Mexican heathers.